Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get this Rapunzel hair and makeup look. So if you're interested in how I did this look, just keep watching. So to start Rapunzel's base, I'm going to use a primer. Any pore filling primer will do because as she's animated, she doesn't have any pores. I just use the ordinary one, which I usually use because it's cheap and very, very good. I'm just going to apply this all over the face. Next, again because, oh wow, my hands are slippy. Wait, am I not in central? There we go. Because Rapunzel, again, is animated, she doesn't have dark circles. So I'm just going to use my Urban Decay Naked Concealer in the shade Pink and tap it under the eye. Beautiful. And blend it in. To get Rapunzel's flawless skin, because she's a cartoon, I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define I'm going to sneeze and it's not a concealer. Moment's passed. Conceal and Define Foundation. I wear the shade F2, but even this is a little bit dark at the moment. I'm going to add a little bit of concealer just under the eyes and, oh my god, I thought that was a piece of unblended foundation, it's just a crack on my screen. Yeah, just under the eyes a little bit to brighten the area up. I'm going to set that in place using my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. I don't like to put too much powder under the eyes as I find that it creases my concealer more. So I just sort of tap on top while my eyes are closed. So now we're going to do eyeshadow and I'm going to show you how I did this. I just took a plain, basic, normal nude eyeshadow. I'm using the one from the Adeline Morin palette. And it has like a warm-ish tone to it. Then on the same brush, I took a teeny tiny bit of the shade Peaches, which is this pinkish shade here. Just so that the purple's not so two-dimensional and just purple. I'll add a little bit of, I don't know, I just think it looks cute. And then, oh, this is the Roxy Colour Burst palette by Revolution, and then I take the shade Lavender, which is a lilac-y purple shade, and I just blend it all over. Then I take a shimmery lilac shade. I'm using this one from the Bourjois Le Nudes palette, and I just use my finger and tap it. All over the lid. I think this side needs a bit more purple actually, so I'm just going to go in with lavender again. And then taking the Bourjois palette again, and I'm just going to take this white shimmery shade and pop it in the inner corner. And then I'm going to do a line of eyeliner, but I'm not going to like wing it out or anything. I'm just going to make it quite rounded. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Why do I keep switching between those? I'm then going to take a little bit of the shade Memories mixed with a teeny tiny bit of colour just under the lash line. This is completely optional, but if you want more like doll eye, yeah, more accurate, use a white eyeliner in the lower lash line. I'm just using the NYX Jumbo Crayon in Milk. Like that. And then just add mascara as usual. I'm using the Bad Girl Bang one just because I find it works best. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to do them a little bit lighter because I am planning on doing some cosplays after this on TikTok. On TikTok. But eyebrows are completely up to you. It is just an inspired look. And to bronze, I'm going to use the bronzer I've been using recently, which is the... Oh no, I broke it. No, I haven't, I fixed it. The Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Now for my favourite part, blush. I'm just going to use this pink rosy Ted Baker blush. And like put it on the apples of my cheek. Another step that's completely optional is drawing fake freckles. I just really like the way this looks. I just think it's super cute, so I'm going to draw fake freckles on. I'm going to use a mix between shade 3 and shade 4 in the Benefit Brow Pencil. I then press them down with the Beauty Blender and go back over them with more blush. Then for lips, you can definitely change your lip shape if you would like, but I'm just going to put this pink colour on. It's the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in number 9. And I'm just going to pat it on, then rub it in with my finger. And then I'm going to top that off with my NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. So that is the makeup done. I hope you liked it. Now let's move on to the hair. Okay, so I don't know how to show this properly. I'm just going to do my best. But I'm going to start off with a side parting, because Rapunzel has a side parting. Another explanation. I've done it on this side. Is that the wrong side? No, I don't know. I'm doing it on this side anyway. So I'm going to split it into 2 down the middle and section a side off. I'm then gonna split this hair off, like just behind the ear, and leave this part where I need more than that, and pull this bit round and section that bit off also. I'm just gonna pull it round and leave it there. And then we're gonna do a Dutch braid. I'm going to leave the fringe out. And start braiding from behind it. I can't see what I'm doing, it's fine. And then we're going to do the same to this section here. I'm just going to loosely tie this one because it's going to go in a ponytail at the back anyway. And then I'm just going to do the same to this side too. Okay, so whatever's not braided, I'm going to tie in a low ponytail at the back. I mean, I don't know if I can show you properly, but... I'm going to pull this braid out. That's braided. So you can just like braid these 3 pieces if you want a more natural looking one. But I'm very extra and I'm going to add some extra hair. So this is the insert name here, pony in Maya in mixed brown. This is the old version, like the first ever release of this, so it's not the same as their Maya one, which wraps around, which ideally I would have preferred to use. But Maya's not in my right colour at the minute. This is more, since I'm more mixed, I don't know. And the Maya is a little bit shorter, so I'm going to go full Rapunzel today. So I'm going to attach this into the back and see if I can film myself doing that for you guys. So from there, I'm just going to braid the normal braid down. I really recommend using the new Ariana or the Maya with the proper clips because this took forever. But I just braided it and then wrapped the pieces that were left over around the wrap part. But if you had the new Ariana or the Maya, then you'd be able to braid the section that wraps around and you'd be able to wrap that around anyway, and then these could, like, I don't know, wrap around as well. But the other Maya is way more secure. But I kind of like it. Yeah, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below who your favourite Disney princess is, and if you want me to do any other princess inspired makeup and hair tutorials. Bye!